This is not a new lesson. This is the moment you stop learning and start living. Everything you've moved through in this course has been preparing you for this integration, not to do well thinking, but to be the kind of person for whom wealth, clarity, and aligned action are normal. The real shift happens when effort drops away and alignment takes over. You no longer chase outcomes. You no longer check it constantly. You no longer try to force timing. You understand now that creation flows through you when your thinking, emotion, and action are in harmony. You've learned that wealth is not something you earn through struggle, but something you allow by staying connected to source, whatever name you give it, the intelligence that organizes life, opportunity, and flow. You've seen that gratitude is not a tactic, it's a posture. It's the state that keeps you tuned to abundance instead of scarcity, expansion instead of contraction. You've learned to hold vision without anxiety, to take action without tension, and to trust the process without disengaging from life. You understand now that money moves through people, through value, through service, and through contribution, and that your role is to give more life, more clarity, more usefulness than you take in return. When you do that consistently, wealth becomes a side effect, not a goal. At this stage, you don't need to visualize all day or affirm constantly. You return to the vision naturally. You check in with it briefly, clearly, calmly, and then you live your day well. You act where you are. You improve what's in front of you. You bring presence, excellence, and care into each interaction and each action. You take efficient action throughout the day. This is how wealth becomes inevitable without becoming obsessive. You don't fight fear anymore, you let it pass. You don't force certainty, you rest in it. You don't rush outcomes, you allow timing. This is the invisible mastery most people never reach. Emotional regulation while expanding, faith without passivity, action without pressure. From here forward, your job is simple. Stay connected, stay grateful, stay aligned, and keep giving value. When you drift, you return, not with judgment, but with awareness. This is not something you graduate from. This is something you carry into business, money, relationships, and life. You don't manifest wealth anymore. You express it, you receive it. And from this place, growth becomes steady, grounded, and sustainable.